Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So if you want to send your cryptocurrency from your Bitvavo account to your Trust wallet, then this video is for you. So the very first thing that you have to do is open your Bitvavo application on your device and just log into your account. Then you can find this type of interface right here where you can find your asset from here. So you can also click on the assets where you can find all your assets. So now you just have to simply select the asset, the LSS or the ISS area, which is in the cryptocurrency that you want to send. So for example, you're going to send the Solana. So you just have to simply click on the Solana. So from here, you can find the Solana dashboard. So here is where you can find the three dots at the top right corner. So simply click on it and a top-up section will appear on your screen. And you can just find this withdraw Solana for Solana. So you can click on the withdraw Solana. And from here, you can find this type of window where you can enable the crypto withdrawals on your Bitvavo account. Then you have to jump into the Trust wallet. So just open your Trust wallet. So from here, you just have to click on the receive button. So after that, you have to simply search for the same currency that you want to send from your Bitvavo to your Trust wallet. Now, after searching for it, you can find it, for example, in my case, which is the Solana. So I have to search for Solana and I get the Solana right here on the search, on the results. So just click on it and then you can find the wallet address here. So you can also have the QR code, but we just have to copy the QR code. So simply copy on it. So after that, just go back to your Bitvavo account and simply click on the enable crypto withdrawals. And then you can find a section where it will ask for the wallet address and then some other information like the name and address, and it may ask for the verification also. So you just have to put it there. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.